Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make one solid object in SolidWorks software which will be flashing on your screen. So let's start. Actually, today's object is quite simple for the beginner. First select the file, then new, and select the part option and then OK. So this is our design tree. So first take front plane and select the sketch option. Here we make one center rectangle and create the rectangle. Let me define some dimension. The horizontal portion is 50 mm and the height is 32. So this is our rectangle to the 50 by 32 mm. Now according to the drawing we also draw some extra lines like triangle shape here. So select the sketch line, select upper edge here and again close the drawing, escape. So here we also need to define some dimension. Here to here is 9 mm. On both sides it is equal. Here to here also is 9. Now this point and lower edge measurement is 12 mm, so let's do it. Okay, and this point and center point is vertical, so make the relation vertical. So we did V-shape cut in the 2D drawing. Now we also make one square portion on the upper edge. So click on the line, then select this and draw one line at some angle, make a one click, then draw a horizontal line and then make vertical line. And now define some dimension. Upper edge is 24 mm. This vertical edge is also 24 mm. Now here the angle is not given in the drawing, but this dimension is given which is 38. So it automatically take some angle, and now let's see that drawing is fully defined. So in the next step we also have to trim some unnecessary lines like this, center lines, and when we all the some dimensions, so see we can see the whole sketch which is 2D. Now by using extrude both base command we can simply extrude this portion. So first we take a whole rectangle which dimension is 75 inverse direction, so we can easily define all the things. Okay, then we want to rectangle cut with a dimension of 36 mm. So again select the sketch 1, but now time we have to select extrude cut, and in the select contour we select only this rectangle, triangle portion. So see, the preview is showing in your screen, but we want only 36 mm cut, so in the dimension make a 36 mm and then okay, it's done. So we complete one extrude and extrude cut. So then we put that upper portion. So again select the sketch 1. Now a time we want extrude both ways, so select it, and in the select contour select the upper portion, but here we want this part from this surface. So in the design tree make the surface face and plane, select it, and then in the below portion select this surface. So our extrude part start from that surface. Now define its dimension, which is 24 mm. So it's done. Let's see. Okay, so our whole 3D object is done, and this is a simple process of making a 3D object, and also it's a very simple object. So friends, please subscribe my YouTube channel for this type of new objects, and if you want to expand your knowledge in the design side, so subscribe my channel, and I will make different type of 3D object as well as sheet metal, weld melt, evolute, all the basic and advanced solid work in the future. So thank you for viewing my video. It's